Discover hydrogen-oxygen therapy, a simple way to refresh your body and mind. What it is? It's a gentle mix of hydrogen and oxygen that you breathe in, like giving your cells a fresh wave of energy. Lifestyle benefits. People love it for how it makes them feel. Breathing easier, boosting daily stamina, recovering faster after workouts, feeling more balanced, sharper in focus, and deeply relaxed. It's a natural reset for your day. Why try it? Each session is quick, soothing, and leaves you feeling recharged, calm, clear, and refreshed. Ready to feel the difference? Inquire with reception today and book your first session.